Ito yung isang tao na tinanggal ko sa buhay ko. And the moment na inalis ko sila, I moved away from them, my life became better. Itong mga tao na to, yung mga tao na mahilig magbigay ng negative comments, negative complaints without solution. Okay, let me explain. May mga tao, they will give you negative feedback, creative feedback for you to become better. But may mga tao, they job. Pagising sa umaga, the first thing they do is asarin ka. They give you a lot of negative comments to ruin your day, to ruin your emotions and your feelings. Tapos walang solution. For example, pag sinabi nila na, "Uy, ang taba mo ah." And then what? Wala lang. Sinabi lang sa'yo mataba ka. And then the other friend, sinabi niya sa'yo, "Uy, bakit tumataba ka? Tara gym tayo. Takbo tayo sa UP. Or let's eat healthier." Kapag sinabi ng isa na, "Uy, ang sama ng ugali mo." And then yung isang tao, yung isang friend, sinabi niya, parang medyo nag-iiba yung ugali mo. Let's have a sit-down conversation, pag-usapan natin. May pinagdadaanan ka ba? Why is this happening? So, two types of parang negative comment, di ba? Yung isa, pure negativity. Walang solution na binibigay. There's no intention to help you to become better. But the other person na constructive criticism, creative feedback, creative negative comment with the intention to help you better, those are the real friends, the real people that you want to keep in your life. Yung mga inalis ko na pure on negativity, hanggang ngayon ganun pa din, negative pa din. The way they post on social media, the way they talk to other people, always talking about other people. Pagkaharap ka niyan, ikaw yung pinupuri niyan. Pero pagkausap na niya yung ibang tao, ikaw naman yung sinisiraan nila, ikaw naman yung topic nila. If you can do yourself a favor and remove this type of people in your life, people who are full of negativity, walang ibang sinasabi kundi paninira about other people, hindi nila nakikita yung negativity on themselves. For them, either, I don't know what you call them, but it's probably a mental problem na nakikita lang nila yung mali sa paligid nila, hindi nila nakikita yung mali sa sarili nila. So, as fast as you can, try to remove these people in your life kasi hindi ka magbe-benefit niyan. Those people will grow old, sour, bitter, and full of negativity. While you, the moment natanggalin mo itong mga weeds na to, itong mga parasite na to sa buhay mo, you will flourish to become a better person. Remember, the moment you remove this type of people, itong mga weeds sa buhay mo, itong mga parasites sa buhay mo, na all they do is give negative energy, give negative comments in your life, the moment you remove them, see how fast you grow as a person. Kasi ma-attract mo din yung yung mga positive people eh. As the moment you remove the negative energy, it's something about the aura and energy. Kahit pure on positivity ka, pag yung kasama mo negative, nadadala mo yun, nakakahawa yun eh. So the moment you remove them from your life, see how the positive energy will come into your life, and that's how you will achieve success.